Hi guys, we are going to make some creamy garlic mushroom today. It's a basic mushroom recipe that works great as a side item with any meal. Kids just love them, but it's very popular among adults too. Let's see the ingredients list. Here I have some button mushrooms, some olive oil, chicken stock, double cream, oregano, garlic cloves, some salt, and some cilantro leaves. I have already cleaned the mushrooms. I'm gonna slice the bigger ones in halves and I'm gonna leave the smaller ones as it is. We need some cilantro leaves, so I'm just gonna cut them fresh and chop them very finely. In a pan, let's take some olive oil. To that, I'm going to add in garlic. Please be generous about adding garlic because that's one of the key ingredients for making this dish so flavorful. We don't need to cook garlic. I'm just gonna give it a stir and then I will put all the mushrooms in. Now I'm gonna give it a good stir to mix all these three ingredients together. And then I'm gonna let mushrooms cook until it's tender, and in the meantime it will take all the flavors from garlic and olive oil. After a few minutes, when mushroom starts to release water, I'm gonna add some chicken stock. And I'm gonna let it cook in chicken stock until the stock reduces a little bit. And now it's time to add heavy cream. I'm gonna pour it in and then I'm gonna let it boil in the cream. And now it's time to season the dish. I'm using some dried oregano, but you can use any dried herb of your choice, some salt, and some cilantro leaves. Again, another stir so that everything is combined. Now, just before taking it off from the heat, I usually put a tablespoon or so heavy cream and give it one final stir and the dish is done. And once again, we thank you for watching the video. If you find this recipe helpful, please share it with your friends and family. If you need a printable version of the ingredients list, please visit our website www.pooblisworldcuisine.com.